Teach me in 10. A quick 10-step guide to create a mobile app. Okay, let's go. Step 1. Define your app idea and purpose. Clearly define your app idea and its purpose. Identify the problem your app solves or the value it provides to users. Consider market demand, target audience, and potential competitors to ensure your app idea is viable. Step 2. Conduct market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, user needs, and existing solutions in the market. Identify trends, gather feedback, and validate your app idea. This research will help you refine your concept and make informed decisions throughout the development process. Step 3. Outline app features and functionality. Create a detailed outline of the features and functionality your app will have. Prioritize essential features and consider user experience, usability, and performance. Define user flows and interactions within the app to ensure a smooth and intuitive experience. Step 4. Design the user interface and user experience. Design the UI and UX of your app. Create wireframes or prototypes to visualize the app's layout, navigation, and interactions. Focus on creating a visually appealing and user-friendly interface that aligns with your brand and provides a seamless experience for users. Step 5. Choose the app development approach. Decide whether you will develop a native app or use cross-platform frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Consider factors such as target audience, budget, timeline, and required functionalities. Research and select the most suitable development approach for your app. Step 6. Develop the app backend. Create the backend infrastructure for your app. Set up servers, databases, and APIs to handle data storage, user authentication, and app functionality. Ensure scalability, security, and smooth integration with your app's frontend. Step 7. Implement app frontend. Develop the frontend of your app based on the UI and UX designs. Write clean and efficient code, follow development best practices, and leverage appropriate programming languages and frameworks. Implement the app's features, user interfaces, and data interactions. Step 8. Test and debug your app. Thoroughly test your app for functionality, usability, and performance. Conduct both manual and automated testing to identify and fix any bugs or issues. Test on different devices, operating systems, and screen sizes to ensure compatibility. Step 9. Publish your app to app stores. Prepare your app for submission to app stores. Create developer accounts, generate app store assets, and comply with the store's guidelines and requirements. Submit your app for review, addressing any feedback or changes requested by the App Store. Step 10. Market and maintain your app. Promote your app through various marketing channels. Create a launch plan, optimize your app store listing, and leverage social media, content marketing, and advertising to reach your target audience. Continuously update and maintain your app by addressing user feedback, fixing bugs, and adding new features. Congratulations on completing the 10 steps to create a mobile app. Remember, app development requires careful planning, attention to detail, and ongoing maintenance. Stay engaged with your users, gather feedback, and continuously improve your app to provide a valuable and engaging experience. Like, comment, subscribe. Teach me in 10.